Nag-order po ako ng ASMR, kaya meron po tayong pa-rain effect. So, una sa lahat, maraming salamat po for everyone who's here, especially to our partners from Greater Fairview Transport Services. Ayan, palakpakan po tayo. For our selected operators, drivers, and conductors sa ating GP Next team, and of course, our friends from the media. So, thank you po sa pagpunta. At FWD, we call ourselves the insurer of the next generation. Sino po ba si FWD Life Insurance? We've been in the country since 2014, and ang pinaka-goal po namin is to make insurance easy to understand, madaling maintindihan, madaling bilhin, and madaling gamitin. No? So marami po sa atin, hindi natin naiintindihan masyado. Para kailan ba talaga magagamit ang life insurance? And naniniwala kami na financial protection should be available to every Filipino. Bawat Pilipino po dapat merong financial protection. Ibig sabihin kahit anong mangyari, whether aksidente, sakit, sakuna, or kahit pagpaplano for retirement, di ba? Dapat bawat Pilipino alam nila na meron silang mapagkukunan. And doon po pumapasok yung value ng life insurance at ng financial confidence. And that's why ginawa namin itong Project Hatid Pinoy kasi naisip po namin na lalo na sa panahon ngayon, di ba ang very Filipino yung paghatid. Pag sinabi natin ihahatid, it's towards a destination. Meron kayong gustong puntahan and naghahatid kayo, it's an act of care. Meron kayong pag-aalaga, pagmamahal, meron din kayong tiwala dun sa maghahatid sa inyo. So as FWD, gusto namin kayo ihatid not only to your destination, pero towards your goals as well. So ihahatid namin kayo sa kung saan yung gusto pumunta and towards your financial confidence. And para mas maintindihan po natin kung paano po ito mangyayari, panoorin po natin itong aming short video.
Introducing FWD Hatid Pinoy, a safe and comfortable orange ride, bringing you forward. Bringing our orange campaign through the streets of Metro Manila through the Orange Ride. With our orange jeepneys moving through Commonwealth. With our orange buses traveling through EDSA. To help ease a little of their worries when support matters most. Free jeepney and bus rides every Monday and Friday for the whole month of June.
FWD Hatid Pinoy. Every orange ride brings you forward.
And that is correct. Ganun po siya. So, that's why starting June 1 until June 30, meron po tayong libreng sakay sa ating selected orange jeepneys and buses. So, ito po, meron tayong 3 jeep today. Meron din po kami 2 buses. And every Monday from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. and Fridays tuwing 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. may libreng sakay po ang lahat. So, walang kailangan ipakitang ID, wala namang kailangan registration. Basta nakita nila yung ating orange jeepneys and buses, pwede na po sila sumakay. Naisipan po namin to para tuwing Monday kasi mahirap sumakay papuntang work. Diba kaya maaga tayo? And kapag Friday, pagpa-uwi naman na sila. So, kaya medyo mas late siya. And gusto rin po namin sabihin na para sa lahat ng sasakay dito, magkakaroon din po sila ng financial confidence boosters. Ano po yun? Ito po yung mga fun little cards na maliit na tulong para maintindihan ng mga bawat Pilipino na commuter, ano ba yung mga pwede nilang gawin, no? Small steps para ma-build nila yung kanilang financial security. So, meron itong mga practical reminders and mga, para siyang stamp card. Ayan. Pwede nilang itlagay sa wallet nila, pampaswerte na rin siya. And pwede rin kayo mag-visit sa fwd.com.ph or to our social media kung gusto niyo po malaman kung paano maging mas matalino and maalam about your financial skills, paano payamanin ang ating sarili because naniniwala tayo na ang kaalaman ay kayamanan. Ayan. And hindi lang po dun tayo FWD wants to support our drivers and conductors as well. All of our drivers and conductors will receive a 1-year CanGuard insurance plan worth 500,000 of accidental death coverage and Consulta MD So, pwede po kayong mag-consult doon for one-time use. Hindi rin, alam po namin na hindi nito maayos ang lahat. This is a practical way para makatulong tayo at this time. And hindi rin din dito natatapos. So, we will also be having an Hatid Pinoy Financial Literacy session para sa lahat ng mga drivers, conductors, and their family. So, open po yun to everyone. Pwede silang umattend doon. And on that day, pwede silang mag-consult about mga financial concerns, kung paano mag-build ng emergency fund, savings fund, retirement fund, and kung gusto po nilang bumili ng life insurance on that day, magkakaroon tayo ng 25% off para lang sa kanila. And, ayun na nga po, ito po ang FWD Hatid Pinoy Orange Ride. Konting tulong para sa biyahe, but every small step brings us forward para sa ating mga goals and towards financial confidence. Thank you everyone for being with us here today.
1, go! Congratulations! Ayan, official launch na po ang FWD Hatid Pinoy. Maraming salamat. Another photo op para sa ating mga panauhing pandangan.